So a lot of people was asking me, why did I leave Gunther Volvo? Why did I come to Daytona Toyota? Simple. Simple, word of mouth. I understand that selling cars, you need to have people refer you to other people. And I just started thinking to myself, how many people I know can afford a Volvo? How many people I know that I'm gonna tell? How many are gonna tell somebody else? I feel like when you can't relate to something, it's hard for you to want to tell somebody else. So here I am now at Daytona Toyota. Another reason why I picked Toyota too is because everybody know the brand, and it's a different. As soon as I tell people that I was working at Volvo, they looked at me funny like, oh no, I can't afford a Volvo. So like, okay, are you gonna tell some people? Then I started telling people, hey, I'm about to start working at Toyota. It's a totally different response. You got people saying, oh yeah, I had my Toyota for this long, I've had it for such and such. Also, I want to come to a place that has a warranty. And here at Daytona Toyota, we got a 7-year warranty on our certified pre-owned Toyotas. Check this out and see if you can see it. It's hot out here, the sun's shining. Hope you can't see it. But I'll read it off to you. 7-year warranty up to 100,000 miles. Lifetime oil changes. So being new to selling cars at Volvo, I feel like it was moving kind of slow. And it was kind of like, hey man, I'm trying to sell these cars. It's kind of hard for me to learn when I'm hungry. So I feel like I'll be able to talk to more people here with these Toyotas because they're more affordable, and that 7-year warranty, lifetime oil changes for pre-owned cars, lifetime oil changes for the new cars. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And hey, come see me at Daytona Toyota. More walk around videos coming soon. I'm in training, so as soon as I get access to the keys, I'll be doing more walk around videos.